I just want to alert the community, since the storm blew through on Friday night, we've been very active working this situation. While things have gotten significantly better since Friday night, we still are experiencing some difficulties. We still have about 88,000 people without power, and we are still running across sporadic phone and communications difficulties. We're trying to keep the 911 lines open. Please make sure you don't call if you've got a phone or an electricity issue. Please call the utility company. Also, if you continue to be without power, we're urging people to go to various facilities throughout the county. Most of our libraries are open, our rec centers. We also encourage you to go to the malls. All of our malls are open. There's plenty of places to go if you need to stay cool, as the weather's going to continue to stay hot this week.
We had massive damage throughout the county, so Virginia Dominion Power has been very busy trying to get to all of those sites. Trees down on the wires prevents the roads from opening, because VDOT will not work those sites until they can confirm that the power is off to those wires. Once that's done, then we get in, get the trees out of the way, get the traffic moving again.
One of our frustrations is that while the grid is being worked on, some areas power will come up and then it will go off. So we're assessing that as we go along. And we're all optimistic that by the end of the week things will be worked out, and we're just asking people to be patient. If you have a true emergency, dial 911. All our police stations are up and running. We have made extra efforts to make sure that we've called all our residents in the county who we know have special needs, and we've been able to accommodate those needs. So if you do run into a unique situation, please let us know, either through your police station or other ways that you typically communicate with us.